Welcome to a Gluu how-to video. In this video, we will download the Crowdcast app from Apple's App Store. You may need your Apple ID password. If you don't have it or you've forgotten it, you can pause this video and head over to iforgot.apple.com to reset it. Let's get started. Tap on the App Store app. Enter your Apple ID password if you're asked for it. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right and the search bar at the top and type Crowdcast. Tap on Get or the cloud icon. This begins your download. Now we'll wait for the Crowdcast app to download to the device you're holding. Tap Open when you're ready. Welcome to the Crowdcast app. Sign in with your email address. Enter a password. Enter a name so we know who we're talking to. Agree to the terms of service and tap on Create New Account. Decide if you want reminders or if you want notifications. You are now looking at the Crowdcast events screen. You can tap your profile icon to control reminders and other settings. And that's it. You can now use the Crowdcast app to join our Gluu Live classes.